what's up? My name is Kira. I am a local college student and YouTuber in Boston, moving to Miami this winter. I really hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. I'm super excited to share it with you all, so let's get straight into the video. So today I am going to be unboxing a Amazon bestsellers product. They are these really cute fuzzy crisscross slippers. Personally, I have been wearing slides like this, ugly slides around my parents' house that are like meant to be worn outdoors because love my parents, but they're like way messier than I live. I live very, very clean and I do not enjoy like any kind of like crumb or dirt on my feet. So I don't walk around my house barefoot and I need me some new like indoor slides. Like, and I honestly kind of think of this as like self-care loungewear, hanging out at home, comfy feet, comfy me, right? Okay, so these are a little bit fuzzy. I really hope they fit me. I ordered a pair of shoes from Amazon last week and they didn't fit me, which was very disappointing. So I'm just going to show you guys what they look like and let's see if they're actually as fuzzy as they look online. I'm really crossing my fingers and hoping that they are. So I'm going to show you guys right now. This is the package that they came in. They're from Amazon. It only took about maybe like a day and a half to come. I think I ordered them like 2 days ago. So super fast shipping, but that's kind of like a given with Amazon. Okay. From outside, they look nice. Let me just, they got really good reviews on Amazon too, so that is important. Oh my god, they are so fuzzy. Oh, it feels nice too. They're so fuzzy. Okay, first impressions. Let's do like a little look at the products. What are we thinking? So this is like where the crisscrossy slide part is that like hugs your foot. And then a bottom, you can wear these outside if you want. I'm probably gonna keep these as like my indoor slippers, but we'll see how good I am about that. And then I will say the only thing is like this doesn't feel very plushy on my hands. Maybe it will on my feet when I put it on, but it feels like a little bit on the hard side. And okay, let's try it on. Okay, I guess I should take my socks off to get like the full effect of the slippers, right? Okay. Oh my god, my feet smell. I'm sorry. Okay, you guys can't smell, so I don't know why I just told you all that my feet smelled. First impressions, they are a little bit small on me. I'm a size like 9.5, 10, and I'm pretty sure these were a 9. So like okay, I mean, they're not that small on me. Honestly, they're really not. Like, see, there's like plenty of heel room. And this is what they look like from the front, from the side. Yeah, you can see my little toes. Very comfortable. I definitely would not be mad about doing work in these or just like walking around my house in them. The sole, like I said when I was peeping them, it's a little bit hard, honestly. I wish they were like a little bit more plush, like memory foam. But honestly, for the price, they are insane because you're not getting anything close to this quality on like other kinds of websites for this price. So and definitely make sure to leave any questions at the bottom of this video if you guys have them, and let me know what you guys think. If you guys end up buying them, let me know as well. I would honestly rate these probably like an 8 out of 10. I don't know if I would recommend them to like my friends. It depends on how long I've been using them and if I kind of like break them in and feel like they are really what I was looking for. But I'm giving them an 8 because they are very fuzzy, and that, I mean, fuzziness and comfort is #1 when I'm buying slippers. I also like that you can wear them outside if you want to, so you can like pull up to school pajama day looking cute with your bougie fuzzy slides. And like, I don't know, if I was a college student and living on dorms, I mean, I am a college student, but if I was living in the dorms, I would probably wear them around campus, like to the dining hall, like on a Saturday morning or something like that. So I would definitely recommend these if you're looking for a cheap, affordable way to still feel cute at home in your little cute slippers. And I just want to thank you guys all so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it, and definitely make sure to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. Thank you so much.